How's it going? I'm Puppetine.
No, I'm Puppetine.
We're here for what? For what?
The Avengers, issue number 6. But before we get into that, let's meet the next person. Which over there you can see her. You just have to look real close. It's Maranya.
Hi, I'm Puppetine.
No, I'm Puppetine.
What?
I'm Puppetine. You're Maranya, and below is the trustiest of all sidekicks, Trusty Sidekick.
No, I'm Puppetine.
No, you're Stan Lee.
Yes.
If you look next to you, you can see it's Eric Breed.
I'm Puppetine.
It's Melissa and Amy.
No, I'm Puppetine. No.
Okay, I have to go.
No, I'm Puppetine.
There's too many Puppetines here.
Some would say one is too many.